Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Decide your final playback frame rate before you start shooting. Choose a capture rate like 12 or 24 frames per second for your project. Higher frame rates require more frames, but give smoother motion. Map each action into key poses using a storyboard or thumbnail sketches. Plan tiny consistent movements of about 1/4 inch per frame for smooth motion. Mark measurements on the set or puppet for repeatable displacement. Establish timing in frames rather than seconds early in your workflow plan. Stabilize your camera on a sturdy tripod and lock all axes. Set your camera to manual mode for consistent exposure across all frames. Keep aperture and white balance fixed to avoid flicker between frames. Use a lower ISO like 100 or 200 to minimize noise in shadows. Employ a remote shutter or intervalometer to trigger frames without touching the camera. Use mirror lock or electronic first curtain when available to reduce micro vibrations during capture. Use onion skinning or overlay tools to compare the current frame with the previous frame. Apply small increments and shoot extra frames around each key pose to refine motion. Hold critical poses for 2 or 3 frames to give weight to actions and readable timing. Capture slightly faster than final playback and adjust in post using retiming interpolation. In post, apply subtle exposure smoothing and 3-frame motion blur to reduce strobing. Review in real time at final frame rate and tweak spacing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.